Welcome to MQLrobot EAS, where we build powerful Forex robots without writing a single line of code. In this video, we'll explore how the Snowball and Grid EA works, step by step, using the FXDreema visual builder. This expert advisor is designed to manage entries using both EMA signals and an auto-scaling logic, based on market momentum and pip distance. It combines two well-known strategies: grid trading and snowball lot scaling, all built without coding. Let's begin with the entry logic. When there are no trades on the chart, the EA first looks for a moving average signal. If a buy or sell signal is detected, it opens a market order and immediately activates one or both of the following mechanisms: the grid logic, which places additional trades at defined pip intervals, and the snowball logic, which increases the lot size on each entry based on predefined steps. Next, let's look at the distance check and control. For every trade, the EA checks if the current price has moved far enough from existing positions before placing another one. This ensures that trades aren't stacked too closely, which helps reduce overtrading and avoid excessive drawdown. Each trade also includes a TP line drawn on the chart for visual reference, making it easy to monitor the closing zones for both grid and snowball modes. Now let's talk about trade closure. When the number of trades reaches a set threshold, or when specific take-profit conditions are met, the EA automatically closes all active trades in the corresponding mode. After closure, it resets the trading mode state, deletes visual objects from the chart, and is ready to wait for the next setup. The goal of this EA is not just to automate entries, but to manage multiple scaling strategies simultaneously with flexibility and precision. Key features recap: EMA-based entry logic, smart trade distance filtering, dual mode, grid and snowball, auto lot scaling, clean exit strategy with mode reset, fully no-code built-in FXDreema. Before using this EA in a live account, it is very important to fully understand the trading logic, the risks involved, and test it thoroughly. We recommend backtesting with 99.9% tick data to simulate real market conditions. You can download or explore the full build at MQLrobot.com. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to MQLrobot EAS for more no-code EA builds like this. Thanks for watching and happy building!